So happened. This is Amit. Here is the most important video for Comet counseling as round one is done now. So after round one, that is after the round one cutoff, what you can expect the cutoff for round two and round three. That is for top 30 college. I'm going to provide you as I'm guiding the student for the Comet counseling. If you want, you can register for my guidance as well. I'm doing the same from last 6 years. So here I will discuss for each college RB CSE 400 up to 400 you can expect up to the third round. If there will be exclusive round, you may get up to 500 or 550 also, because last year also, because in previous year also student have got up to 550. So CSE specialization 900, it is in different type of specialization you will get up to 900, including ISE, and EC you will get up to 1.4 thousand. For RBC I'm discussing RB College of Engineering, it is the top college. PMS College of Engineering 1.8 thousand for CSE specialization 3.5, EC 4.5 thousand. MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology 1.1, 2.7 and 4,000. It is for CSE specialization. ISC has been included in CSE specialization itself. And for EC it is 4,000. For Dayanand Sagar 4, 6.89. BIT 7, 11, 16. And Acharya 27, 32, 40. KLE Hubli 16, 20 and 50,000 for CSE, CSE specialization, EC respectively. Here I would like to inform you again, that is if you want the complete counseling guidance, that is how to change the choices for second and third round, I will guide you for that, and whether you should join the Comet colleges or any other college if you have already got the admission, or you are looking for BITSAT or JOSA CSFB counseling or Jack Delhi counseling like this. So I will guide you for each and everything so that you can get into the best possible college by the end of this academic year. In the next section you will be able to check the detail of my guidance, how I will guide you for the counseling process. And if you are interested, you can contact me using the information available in the description box. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is the JOSA, CSAB, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit. If you are interested, you can contact me using the information available in the description box. So let's continue this video. Here is the information, that is for BMS ITM 7, 10, 13, CMR IT 14, 18, 35, DSATM 20, 32, 43, Dr. Ambedkar 21, 29, 36, GSS CT 19, 24, 38, NI Mysore North Campus 7 and 9,000, for South Campus EC 15,000, BMNIT, BNMIT 15, 21, 35. Now if you talk about Niti Meenakshi 9.2, 12 and 20,000, this is updated cutoff after the first round of counseling of Comet K. Many of you also know that already some students have got the admission, so they will not join Comet K. So those seat will be vacant, and after the second round the cutoff will change automatically, and third round also, because of the refund policy as well. So here you can check for SIT Tumkur 11, 14 and 25, Geetam 15, 36, 65, RBATM 8, 13, SM VIT 12, 16, 25, SDM 29, 37, 45. And for SJB College CSE 30,000, CSE specialization 38, and EC up to 50,000. PACE ITM 37, 60, 70. PACE Mandya 24, 38, 40. Jain College 60, 70, 80. Cambridge 27, 41, 65. I will not waste your time. I am just providing you the data, because that is very important to have the better decision for your future career. So it is very important to understand this data in detail and try to take the decision accordingly. If you want the guidance, you can contact me anytime, whenever you want. Now if you talk about BCET 52, 65, 75, BTI 61, 68, 75, Global 33, 43, 60. All these colleges placement, fee structure, average salary, highest salary, placement percentage, everything I have discussed in my previous video. Kindly check in the I button as well in the description box, or in the end screen you will get the link of that video. Try to watch the video so that you will able to take the decision carefully for your career. Thank you.